Welcome back to Media Studies Pro. Today we are diving into a topic that every aspiring filmmaker wants to know: how to make cinematic films using just your mobile camera. Yes, your phone can shoot films that look like they belong in theaters. But it's not just about pointing and shooting. Let's break it down step by step. Make sure to like and subscribe to Media Studies Pro. Step 1. Choose the right camera settings. Shoot in 108p or 4000 resolution, and for a cinematic feel, set it to 24 frames per second. Avoid using digital zoom. Move closer to your subject instead. Always lock focus and exposure, if your phone supports it. Step 2. Composition is key. Use the rule of thirds. Imagine your screen divided into 9 equal parts, and place your subject along these lines. Experiment with leading lines, symmetry, and depth. Low angles make subjects look powerful, while high angles can make them vulnerable. Step 3. Lighting makes the mood. Natural light is your best friend. Shoot during golden hours, early morning or late afternoon. If indoors, use soft light sources, or even DIY options like lamps with diffuse. Always remember, light shapes emotion. Step 4. Use stabilization. Shaky footage kills quality. Invest in a gimbal or stabilizer, or even use a simple tripod. If neither is available, practice steady handheld techniques. Keep your elbows close to your body and walk heeled two-toe for smooth motion. Step 5. Mind the color grading. Post-production is where your film gets its cinematic vibe. Using apps like CapCut or cinematic films often use teal and orange tones for that classic Hollywood look. Always maintain consistency in your color palette. Step 6. Sound matters. Even the best visuals fail without good sound. Use an external microphone if possible, and always record ambient sound. Step 7. Plan your shots. Before filming, storyboard or plan your shots. Know what angles, movements, and emotions you want to capture. Step 8. Experiment and practice. Don't be afraid to try slow motion shots, time lapses, and creative angles. Watch films and see how professional directors frame the camera. Try to replicate some techniques with your phone. Remember, it's not the camera, it's the story and creativity that matter most. You can make cinematic quality films with just your mobile. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Media Studies Pro. Your support keeps this channel alive. That's it for today. Start shooting, experiment, and create something cinematic with your phone. I'll see you in the next video.